Audio Jungle.
Hi, greetings to my empowered family, to the awesome members and subscribers of the K Factor channel. I'm overwhelmed with joy for all those beautiful responses and comments that you've shared about my videos. And I'd like to personally thank each one of you. Thank you, it's from here. And to all those who are new to this channel, this is Krish here. I'm a life skill coach, motivator, author, but most importantly, I'm your personal coach. I'm here to mentor you, to guide you, to help you to live your life to the fullest. Last 1 year, I've been going through a wonderful, amazing journey. Now you might be wondering, Krish, where did you go? Well, my journey was a little different. I didn't go to any fancy tourist destination. My journey was to explore the unexplored space within myself. And I've been going through some mind-boggling stuff. Some of the experiences have been so explosive that I can't even put words to it. I've been having a lot of insights, realizations, revelations. One of my realizations was the cosmic law of giving. The cosmic law of giving is when you unconditionally give things which are most important to you, like love, compassion, joy, knowledge, information that you have, when you give it to others, when you let it out to the universe, when it goes touch many people, and then what happens is it builds a momentum, and then it comes back with more intensity and it gets ingrained into you, it reinforces those same qualities inside you. And that's exactly what I'm doing by sharing this knowledge, wisdom, information, tools and techniques to help you to transform yourself to your best and highest version. And I want you to do the same thing. I want you to share this information. I want you to share this video to all your near and dear ones, to your family and friends. I want you to start the process of spreading this positive vibration. Remember the law of karma. What you give, you get back. In case you have not subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel now because I have some very beautiful, interesting, powerful videos coming up. And I don't want you to miss that. Please subscribe. Quantum physics has proven beyond doubt that everything is vibration. Whatever physical eye sees as solid is actually vibration. Remember the vibration in physics lab that you did in your school with the tuning fork? Ting! Everything is vibration. The physical body is vibration. The water in this glass is vibration. The air that I'm breathing is vibration. So, if my thoughts are vibration, what's happening to my thoughts? After the thought is created, remember the energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only get transformed. So after I think, these thoughts are getting transformed into physical reality. You're actually manifesting it in your life. So if my thoughts are positive, then I'm manifesting positive things in my life. The words that I speak is vibration. If the words I speak are positive, uplifting, then the reality that I create in my life will be positive and uplifting. Can you see how powerful our thoughts and words are? I'm going to substantiate it with an example. There's a Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher who spent a lot of time, lot of years doing experiments and research on the properties of water. And some of his experiments included, maybe he'll take a glass of water like this, and then he will expose it to some positive words or maybe some negative words, and then see what happens to it when it is frozen. At minus 20 degrees Celsius, he will look at this frozen water using a microscope and try to study the crystalline structure. And what was amazing is when the water was exposed to positive thoughts, positive emotions like happiness, joy, gratitude, the crystals, without any chemical change, the crystals had actually transformed themselves into very symmetrical, beautiful, pleasing crystals. When the water was exposed to negative thoughts, negative emotions, negative words like hatred, anger, fear, sadness, The crystals that was formed was very asymmetrical, very ugly. Now, can you imagine the power of this profound inference? Please have a look at these pictures.
Dr. Emotes proved that human speech or thoughts have dramatic effects on water. Dr. Emotes' experiments involved exposing glasses of water to various words, pictures, or music, and then freezing the water and examining the frozen crystals of water under a microscope. It is so incredible to realize that even water has consciousness. It has a memory. It has an intelligence. These pictures of the water crystals that we see here are from his book, Hidden Messages from Water. This book even went on to become New York Times bestseller.
%70% of our body, 70% of our body is made up of water. Can you imagine? What is going to be the influence of our words and thoughts? Please understand the importance of this experiment. How is it applicable to us? The words that we speak are like mantra. The thoughts that we have is like meditation. We need to be very, very careful, because every moment we are actually creating a reality. We have the powers. We are the masters of our life. We'll continue with this series in the next episode. So please subscribe, share, like. Till we meet next time. Thank you. Be blissful. Please note, when you watch this video for the first time, you feel like you have understood the concept. But this is only at a cognitive level. The more and more you watch this video, the essence of the concept, the truth, will actually seep into your subconscious mind. If you have any personal experiences you want to share, or you have any doubts or clarification, please write in the comment section at the bottom of this page. I will surely go through it and respond. Thank you.